Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
And we're kind of next to Mong Ha, so I'll explain that in a minute as well. And here, Victoria Hotel. So somewhere in here, a murder occurred. And the murder involved gambling debts. I think this is called Triangle Park. Hello. So I think this is called Triangle Park. Okay, so this is Arco Road, and we're gonna walk by Victoria Hotel, which is where the it's called Six Murders, I believe. I'll look it up real quick before I just to remember what it's called. But we're gonna be focusing on this Arco Street. There's a temple right here, and if you follow this, it goes all the way to Green Island, which is where St. Joseph's University is at. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on. Okay, Arco Road. So the first thing I'm going to do is go across, if I can. In Macau you have the right of way. So there's a beautiful temple right here, which I'm not going to focus on, but it's here. I feel bad to focus on it if I'm going to do Victoria Hotel and talk about the those murders. So the church is to the right. So we are going to follow all the way to Victoria Hotel, and we're also going to highlight that that story as well. I guess this temple is called Temple Lin Feng. There's Victoria. Greenery Inn. I guess that's a new hotel, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna go around. And we're kind of next to Mong Ha, so I'll explain that in a minute as well. Arco Road. Mong Ha is down in that direction, so we're just going to go right into this Victoria Hotel area. Greenery Inn. It's a nice park right there too. And then over here is Sandway Supermarket. And then where this most famous murder case in Macau happened was in this location that we're going to go into in a moment. And here, Victoria Hotel. So somewhere in here, a murder occurred. And the murder involved gambling debts. And somebody killed somebody's entire family. Somebody had a restaurant, like some kind of soup restaurant in here. And it's really blurry. better. Such a cool space though. So what happened is there was a restaurant back in here, and one man had a family. I'll have to review the story later, but one person had a family, and I think it was 6. That's the part I need to verify. And he had a restaurant, and he sold soup, and he had a lot of gambling debt to one other particular individual, and that particular individual murdered him, and that person murdered the entire family, and then they fed that family as soup to the community. So it's a pretty gruesome murder, and that took place in here. I did try to find a location before, but it was challenging. It's kind of hidden. And we got a park over here, so we're going to walk over there in a moment. And it's all part of Arco Road. And you can also take this up here as well. But this park is kind of interesting because you have a lot of people that will hang out here, especially older people. So we're going to try to cross it as soon as we get a chance. But yeah, this is at Victoria Hotel right there. We'll just walk down just briefly. Victoria's Hotel. And Victoria's Cookies. Also got a cookie shop right there as well. Okay. I want to cross this road. Cross Arco Road. There we go. So we can cross. Go across. Victoria Restaurant, Victoria Hotel. And we're gonna go into this space. And over here you got a lot of people that are older generation people. We're gonna go into it as soon as we get a chance. You have these nice little spaces like that. Kind of cool. And you got a kiosk up here as well. I think this is called Triangle Park. Hello. So I think this is called Triangle Park. And if you look at it, it's like a triangle formation. And so it's like that's the point, and then it goes like that. So that's one point down that way. That's the kiosk right there. And then this is a little community center as well. So I'm gonna walk back, and I'm gonna follow down Arc Street, follow it more. And you also have this kind of cool little space in here too. So it's a triangular park. We're gonna continue on. So we're still on Arco Road. I'm gonna try to go up. Let's see if I'm successful though. That's Arco Road. That's the Victoria Hotel right there. And I'm gonna try to go this way. And I think we're still on Arco Road. We'll see when we cross the road if we're still on it or not. There's actually a little haircut place. It's in this little alley down that way, but they'll usually be gone by now. Victoria Hotel. Let's see. I'm gonna go We're gonna continue down this way. I can't recall if Arco Road is which direction it is. We'll find out in a moment. Let's see. I can't recall. So let's go up. I think it goes down that way. There's some kind of cool architecture everywhere. So that is a different street. That's not Arco. Let me just continue when we get up there. Okay, so that was our triangular park right there, and then this road says Arco Road, straight down. So that actually turns into Arco. That was Arco, and then we're gonna look over on this side. But nonetheless, we're gonna just show you all the different sides. So that goes to Arco Road right there. And then this goes to a different street. It's not Arco. So I'm assuming that Arco must have ended right there. And so Arco Street would have been the street. And there's a Victoria Hotel right there too. So a little slice of Macau. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.
Toma cuidado la voz divina.